Hello, okay. These are now my plants here at my rooftop. So, but today I will show you this kind of plants. This is called Queen of the Nights or Arwaka plants. Okay, so it's very different from other plants in terms of flower because it is famous for its kind of blooming. They said that this kind of plants or flower bloom only at the 8 o'clock in the evening onward, and then it will last until maybe before the sunrise. Okay, but today it's already 2:30 p.m. in the afternoon, so this is my first time I saw this kind of plants bloom during daytime. So I have also many kinds of plants here. Okay, let's start here. So that's my plant. So this is a jadelet. Some says it's a lucky plant. Okay, I have this kind of santan, two kinds of santan, two types of santan. So this color pink and this color red, but a different kind of santan. I also have this adenium. No? It has 8 kinds of flowers in one trunk. Okay, so 8 kinds or 8 types of flowers. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's all it has 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 3 flowers already, but not yet sprout or blooming. Okay, so this is Calachuchi ito, Calachuchi, local kind of adenium, and I have a gabi-gabi. So these are all my adenium too. Okay, a beautiful flower, no? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different types of adenium like this. It is its flowers color orange or pink orange, same as this. Okay, so I have also, what's that? Okay, orchids. There are many kinds of orchids. Outside my house, I have different kinds of orchids, and this is a pakpaklawin. Okay, pakpaklawin. I also have a santan here. Santan, no, bougainvillea. Bougainvillea. And this bougainvillea is colored. Its flower has a colored violet or lavender. Okay, yeah. This is what's this? Calamantige. Okay, it's called calamantige. Different kinds, different flowers have like white, pink, and red. Okay, for now it's not yet sprout the flower. Okay, this is bonsai microcarpa. Okay, this is picos. I have this kind of flower too or plants. This is a hydrangea, okay? And some other kinds of santan, okay? Yellow, orange, and I think it's white. This is purslane, purslane, mm, or Vietnam rose. It has a yellow or white and orange and red flower during before afternoon. This is the amaryllis, okay? This it has a flower already before. It had a flower already before, and it's colored orange. And now I have what's this? Grapes or ubas. Three ubas, okay? Three grapes. 1, 2, and 3. I have a tomato, and this ampalaya. I have a pencil cactus. This it has no leaves, and I have many. Okay, arwaka like this. I planted for my mother-in-law. Okay, this also arwaka. Aloe vera. Okay, aloe vera. This is a snake plant, and Indian cactus. Okay, and that's my plants here. Okay, I want to make a bonsai, so I have three tugas or mulabe. 1, 2, 3. Okay, mulabe. So that's my plans for today. Today is dated July 6, 2026. Okay. Arwaka,